Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to reorder songs in a playlist on Apple Music. To do this it's very easy and simple. Go to Apple Music, open it. After that go to playlists, click on it. Go to the playlists where you want to reorder songs. After that click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that click on edit. And now easily you can reorder your songs just by long pressing on them, and after that moving to where you want to put that song. For example, as you can see, I'm moving the song easily on the screen. You have just to click on the three lines, long press, and move the song where you want to put it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. If you have any question, put it in the comment section and I will be sure to answer all of your questions. And until the next video, goodbye.